In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Steam library folder. If you need to locate where your Steam games are stored on your computer, there are a couple of simple ways to do it. This is useful if you want to manage storage, move games between drives, backup files, or troubleshoot installation issues. I'll walk you through both methods clearly so you can choose the one that works best for you. The first method is through Steam settings, and this is usually the quickest way to see all of your Steam library locations at once. Start by opening Steam. In the top left corner, click Steam, then choose Settings. Once the Settings window opens, look for the Storage section. Click on that, and Steam will display your library folders along with the drives they're stored on. This is the easiest method if you want a full overview, especially if you have games installed across multiple drives. You'll be able to quickly identify which drive each Steam library folder is using, which can help if you're low on space or trying to confirm where new games are being installed. The second method is useful if you want to find the library folder by opening the files for a specific installed game. Begin by opening your Steam library. From there, find any game that is already installed on your computer, then right-click on it. This opens a menu with more options for that game. Next, select Manage and then click Browse Local Files. Steam will open File Explorer directly to that game's installation folder. From here, you can trace the location back to the Steam library folder. The key thing to look for is the parent directory that contains the Steam apps folder. That parent directory is your Steam library folder. This method is especially helpful if you're already working with a specific game's files, such as when installing mods, editing configuration files, or checking whether a game is installed in the correct location. It gives you a direct path from the game folder back to the library folder it belongs to. So, to recap, you can either go through Steam settings and open the storage section to see all library folders at once, or you can right-click an installed game, choose Manage, then browse local files and work backward from the games folder to the parent Steam library directory. That's all it takes to find your Steam library folder. Once you know where it is, it becomes much easier to manage your games and storage more efficiently.